you, Abhimanyu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he is having his. Okay, very good. So he is coming to the school. So he is having very good. Mask is there, pencil box is there. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
कौन है?
Okay, you can see our Santa. So next month only we are going to have Christmas. Okay, we'll have Christmas holidays. Ajinkya is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abhimanyu can mute your mic now.
My favorite festival is Holi festival. Holi is the. My name is Ajinkya Ganesh Lavre. My favorite festival is Holi festival. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated every year in all parts of the country. Holi is a beautiful festival. It is celebrated in the Good morning, ma'am. March. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Ajinkya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next month is Akshat is ready. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am. मैडम
Okay.
मैं बोलूं
एक minute, we are going like we have done yesterday, no? So you can wait for your chance. Yes, Akshat. Akshat Pandey. Anushka is ready. Anushka. Anushka is ready.
मैम my name is Sachin. It's brother
Yes,
and
sound.
brother and brother's place is Rakshabandhan is a festival. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Next, um, Arohi is ready. Arohi has just joined. Are you ready, Arohi? Aditi is ready. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then you can start, Aditi. Next, Anushka. Anushka.
मैडम बोलूं
I am telling the names. No, let us see. You have to tell yes or no. Then I will go on to the next one if you are not ready. Aryavardhan. Aryavardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can start.
No, ma'am, no.
No.
I am no
Aisha.
entry.
Okay, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am, she is ready.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aisha Muslimullah, studying in class second. Today, I would like to speak about my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is known as Ramzan Eid. Ramzan Eid, which comes after month of fasting year, Ramzan. With I like Eid ul Fitr because I get to wear new clothes and eat lots of sweets. That is Seviyan Kheer. Seviyan Kheer also Seviyan Kheer with lots of dry food. We go to mosque. We go to mosque to pray and wish each other Eid Mubarak. After coming from prayer and wishing each other, elders give gift or money to children. That is favorite part of mine. But the most important part of this day is Sadaqah and Fitra. That is charity. Who cannot afford it and and
Can become.
can become a part of our celebration. Thank you.
Very nice, Aisha. Very well presented. Very good. You are looking very cute also today. Next, Darsh is ready. Darsh,
टीचर को ये क्यों नहीं किया था गुड मॉर्निंग मैम My
yes, good morning.
favorite festival is Diwali.
Yes, stand straight in front of the camera. We are not able to see your face. Very good now. Yes, Darsh. What do you do on Diwali? Diwali is the
Festival of lights.
hmm. So what do you do before Diwali? What do you do before Diwali?
Value of clothes and crackers and crackers.
And what do you eat?
Lot of sweets.
Okay, very good.
House of house of decorated with rangoli. Morning, ma'am.
Okay. And have you worn a new dress, Darsh? No? Okay, after Darsh, we are having Harshraj. Harshraj is ready.
Yes,
Harshraj,
ma'am. Yeah.
okay, you can
Yes,
start.
ma'am. My name is Harshad. I study in class second day. My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated every year in all parts of the country. Holi is celebrated every year in the Hindi month of Falgun or March. Festival Holika Dahan is conducted where a
Come in front of camera.
were conducted where a bonfire is silent warriors which are conducted. I
Yes, you
like
can
Holi
speak.
festival very much.
You can speak simple sentences, children. Not necessary to. Uh, okay, simple sentences, three or four. That much is enough. Next, Harshit Pandey. Yes, very good, Harshraj. Arshit,
Yes, ma'am.
you can start.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I today is Harshit Pandey. I of class second A. I'm going to speak. Today I am going to speak on my favorite festival. Hmm. Diwali symbolizes victory of light over darkness. It is associated with goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity. We celebrate Diwali on because on that day Lord Rama with goddess Sita and brother Lakshman returned to Ayodhya. It is it is it is also called Festival of Lights. On this on this festival we light our diyas, burn firecrackers and wear new clothes. Thank you.
And you have prepared something, no?
मैम मैं हिंदी का भी सुनाऊं क्या?
Your song, yes.
मैम मैं हिंदी का भी सुनाऊं क्या? Song.
No, only song.
हाँ शुरू करो. शुरू करो. दो राजपुत्र दो तेजवंत दो शक्तिमान टकरावे तीरन से काटे तीरन को तीरन पे तीर चलावे हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव यह प्रतापी तेजमान जितने भी शस्त्र चलाता है उत्तर से आया लक्ष्मण सबके उत्तर देता जाता है कोई काल नहीं दोनों में कोई नहीं पीछे पांव हटाता है यह महासमन और भी गहरा होता जाता है बाणों से निकले अग्नि का बरसात कभी बरसावे तीरन से काटे तीरन को तीरन पे तीर चलावे हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव एक युद्ध करे बाहुबल से एक शस्त्रों का अभिमान करे एक एक रामचंद्र जी की जय बोले एक रावण का जयकांत करे मुस्कुराए रावण देख सबको लक्ष्मण का आह्वान करे यह महासमर वह जीतेगा जिसको भी विजय भगवान करे दोनों अपने सम्मान हेतु प्राणों का दाम लगावे तीरन से काटे तीरन को तीरन पे तीर चलावे हर हर महादेव
Oh, very good, very good.
महादेव.
Very nice, Arshit, very nice.
थैंक यू मैम. बोलो कार्ड.
Well presented.
मैम ये देखिए मेरा ग्रीडी कार्ड.
दिखा दो. Very nice. आजकल बहुत काम कर रहे हो, हाँ? Very good, very good. You should do. Okay. Very nice. You can scan and put it in the Google Classroom. Next, Hemal. Hemal is ready. Hemal is ready. Hemal Meena.
बोलो.
Just a minute. We are going according to that, no? So let me see. Krishiv. Krishiv.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, Krishiv.
Good morning, teacher. Good day. My name is Rishi Singh. My favorite festival is Diwali. Diwali is, Diwali is festival of light. It is celebrated by Hindus. We we light candles and diyas. Children make rangoli. Children play with crackers. We wear new dresses and eat sweets. Thank you.
Very good, Krishif. Very nice. Next, Hemal is ready, I think. Hemal can speak. And Krishif has worn a new dress also today.
Yes,
Looking
my
very
name
nice.
is Hina. Thank you, ma'am. My name is Malmina.
Yes, Hemal.
I study in class A. Holi. My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is festival of colors. The first day of Holi is called Holi Dahan, and on the second day we play with colors. We play Holi with natural colors. Mothers make sweets. We eat the we eat the sweets and have lots of fun. Thank you.
Very good, Hemal. Very nicely presented. Next, we are having Manasvi. Manasvi is ready.
Man,
Manasvi.
my name is Manasvi. I speaking. I speak. My favorite festival is Diwali. I celebrating this festival by wearing new clothes, eating sweets, and burning firecrackers. It is also called Festival of Lights. I make Diwali Rangoli. Thank you.
Very good, Manasvi. Next, Noordeep is ready. Noordeep. Yes,
No,
Noordeep,
ma'am.
you can speak now. You are not ready. You will not speak about any festival. You can speak about any festival. It is not necessary to dress up. Noordeep. Okay, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, come in front of the this thing, camera, Parth. Yes, your face has to come. Yes, now it is correct. Your
Ma'am, 2 minutes wait.
okay. After Parth, Pratham be ready, then Priya Meena. Okay, then Prutha and Parigi, then Rishabh. Like that we are going. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Parth. Diwali is my favorite festival. It is festival of lightings and sweets. It's celebrate in 5 days.
Yes.
It it is a famous in India. Thank you.
Okay, and what is decorated behind? Diyas are decorated, and I think Rangoli is also there. Very nice. Very nice. Now I think we are having very nice part.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Pratham. Pratham is ready. Pratham.
No, man.
By Priyamina. Priyamina is ready. Children, by the end, like Pratham has not spoken and Noordeep has not spoken, you can learn 3 or 4 lines now. You can take your favorite festival as anyone you like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, anything, and you can learn 3 or 4 sentences on that. And by the end, you can speak. Okay,
Ma'am, Diwali.
Priyamina, ready? No. So we will go on to Prutha and Parigi now. Yes. So you can start.
Hello, friends. My name is Parigita. My favorite festival is Holi. It is it 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 is it it is the color. It is a festival of color. As per mythology, Holi brings all the evil. People apply color on each other and wear them with colored water. Holi is the social festival. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Yes, show us.
These are the colors on we apply each other.
Okay, very good. Next, Prutha.
My name is Pruta Thakur. My favorite festival is Navratri. It is celebrated for 9 days. It is Hindus played goddess Durga and play Garba with Dandiya. We wear cultural stages to play Dandiya. Thank you, ma'am.
So you are showing us this one, Dandiya.
This is the Dandiya and play with Navratri.
Okay, I think last year when school was there, these children had dressed up very nicely, all the students, and they had played Dandiya. Class teacher के साथ ना, हाँ, very nice. Yes, yes. I remember last time I've taken a photograph with them also. Okay. Yes, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And what about Rishabh? Ready? Rishabh, you just tell yes or no, children, so that I can call the next child. Rishika, Rishika, Rishika is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, come.
My name is Ritika Rai. I study in class second day. My speech is Holi Festival 10 times. My favorite festival Holi. Holi is the festival of color. It is celebrated across India. Holi is a 2 days festival. On first day night, we do Holika Dahan. The first day of Holi is called Choti Holi. Choti
Now it
Holi.
is correct.
On the second day, people play with color powder and water.
Very good. Very good. Very well presented. Very nice. Preparation is also very good, Rishika. Next, Satyabrata is ready. Satyabrata,
No, ma'am.
no. Shashwat, Shashwat,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yes, you can start. If you tell three sentences also very nicely, I like this festival. It is called the festival of whatever light, color, जो बोलना है और आपको क्यों अच्छा लगता है. If you tell I like it because or I celebrate it like this, तीन भी बोलोगे अच्छे से चलेगा. हम्म? Tell.
My favorite food.
Yes. I
मेरा
think there is.
नाम है दिवाली. Diwali is one of the most beautiful festival of India. It is also known as Deepavali, when series of light. Diwali is celebrated can as Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya.
Okay, Shashwat, yesterday you have done reading. Okay, drawing is very good. Okay, now repeat after me, Shashwat. हाँ, शाश्वत की मम्मी ये पढ़ाई किया कल रीडिंग किया इसने. यस शाश्वत. ओके, वेरी नाइस.
मैम उसका कल थोड़ा सा तबीयत ठीक नहीं था, उसका नहीं हो गया उसका रीडिंग.
तो इसमें जैसे ये अभी बोल रहा है ना, तो रीडिंग नहीं करना है, सीधा बोल सकता है आई लाइक दिवाली और माय फेवरेट फेस्टिवल इज दिवाली. इट इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स
हाँ.
एंड आई लाइक क्रैकर्स ऑन दिस डे. इतना भी सेकंड के बच्चे बोलेंगे तो चलेगा, ज्यादा बोलते हैं दैट इज ओके. लेकिन बिना देखे जितना आप कराते हो ना, वो रीडिंग नहीं करना है बच्चे को. 3 लाइन्स 4 लाइन्स इज मोर देन इनफ. वो बिना देखे बोलेगा. ठीक है. आप ऐसा मतलब सबका वैसा रहता है ना, तो कैसे है कि बच्चा उतना
ओके
ही
मैम.
बोलेगा. रीडिंग पे जोर मत दो. व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीकिंग नो.
ओके मैम.
ये हु इज अर्चना जायसवाल हु हैज जॉइंड हियर. अर्चना जायसवाल. सर किसी ने अभी अर्चना जायसवाल ज्वाइन. कौन है वो. You join with your own ID, children. You have been given your own ID. Don't come with others' ID in this class. Understood? Next, Soham. Soham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start now.
My name is Soham Mahajan. Today my topic is my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is a famous festival of Hindus. It is a festival of colors. Holi is celebrated on in the month of Falgun. All over
सोहम एक मिनट.
the joy.
सोहम एक मिनट रुको. Whose mic is unmuted? Mute your mic. Your mic is unmuted. पीछे से आवाज आ रही है. किसका unmuted है?
look now, look.
Okay, so हम speak from the beginning now.
देखो क्या लिखता हूँ तो नहीं मुझे लोग चलो
Yes, Soham, now you can start.
It is celebrated all over the country with joy and happiness. On this day, everybody looks very colorful. Children spray colors, rub gulal to each other. Holika Dahan happens before a day of Holi. Holi is a on, on this day, special sweets and dishes are prepared. Holi is festival of friendship and love. Thank you everyone.
Very good, Soham. Very nicely spoken. Dressed up also very nicely. Yes, Swarnika is ready. Swarnika. Swarnika is ready. You can tell yes or no at least. Swarnika. Yes, you can speak about Diwali or Holi. Yes, you can switch on your video. Tanish is ready. Tanish.
No, man.
Why no? This is basically you were asked to speak on the topic. So it is not necessary that you have to, those who have done dressed up and then presented, it is okay. But if you're not having that, then also others can present, no? Now, who are the students who have not spoken? Aradhya, ready? Aradhya,
Yes, ma'am.
Vitthal Pawar. You can speak.
Diwali is big festival. Diwali is festival of light. In Diwali, we eat sweets. In Diwali, we new clothes.
We wear new clothes and we burst. You can tell organic crackers nowadays. Before we used to burn crackers. Nowadays we burn, what do you tell? Organic crackers so that they don't cause pollution. Akshat wants to speak. Akshat, ready?
Diwali is happy festival. Thank you.
Akshat, switch on your this thing, video. अक्षत पांडे. सबसे पहले आप बोलोगे माय फेवरेट फेस्टिवल इज. ओके, अगर आप कुछ बोलते हो तो इट इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ, जो भी है लाइट्स है या कलर्स है वो बोलोगे आप. एंड व्हाई डू यू लाइक इट, ये 3 सेंटेंस बोलो आप. अदरवाइज आई कांट. अगर नहीं होगा. ओके, सो विच इज योर फेवरेट फेस्टिवल. फेवरेट फेस्टिवल इज. अक्षत.
My favorite festival is
दिवाली है, होली है, क्रिसमस है, क्या है?
Rakshabandhan.
Okay, Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so you will tell it is the festival of love between brothers and sisters. आपको ऐसा बोलना है. ओके. अच्छा, अक्षत ने तो पहले बोला हुआ है ना मेरे ख्याल से. ओके, who has not spoken? What about Aryavardhan is ready? Aryavardhan is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can speak now, Aryavardhan.
My favorite festival is the Holi. It is celebrated the month of color. March, we are play
We play with.
organic organic
We play with.
color. We play is organic color. It is celebrated in every year in Hindu. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then who is left? Tanish wants to speak. Tanish. Children, when you are coming to the class, no, you have to speak. Otherwise, maybe you are speaking very well, and if you don't speak, then what happens? I will not come to know that you are speaking well. So, according to me, those who have come to the class, Pratham has not spoken, Satyabrata has not spoken, Tanish has not spoken, Rishabh Raj, Arohi, Aditi, Anushka Vai Singh. These are the students, and Priyamina and Swarnika. So you have come to the class and still you have not spoken. Who wants to speak? Okay, speak.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shakti Moya. My favorite festival, Holi.
Yes.
Holi.
Hmm. It is the
Holi is
festival of.
Indian festival.
Hmm.
Holi, Holi is also known as the festival of colors. People use dry colors or grant gulal or color water to play Holi. This is dancing on Holi. People forgot their hurt and greet each other. Love.
Okay. Well tried, Aditi. Practice it. Yes, practice it once or twice. You will be able to speak properly. Okay. My favorite festival, what it is known as, and what do you do on that day? So these three or four sentences, if you tell, right? So that much is more than enough, right? So anybody else wants to speak? Anybody else wants to speak? Ma'am, voice is coming.
वॉइस इज कमिंग और नॉट कमिंग?
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
नहीं
मैम
आ
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
अभी भी नहीं आ रही है? आ रही है अभी?
हाँ, अब आ रही है।
हाँ, तो मैं कह रही थी हम जब बच्चे थे ना, तो
हाँ मैम अब आ रही है।
हम लोग क्या करते थे? हाँ
नहीं आ रही है। अभी आ रही है।
हाँ, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम लोग पढ़ के नहीं आते थे, तो जैसे टीचर बोलती है ना आप पहले करो, तो उसके बीच में हम करते थे और उसी समय हम कर लेते थे, क्या? तो इसीलिए मैंने बोला था बाकी बच्चों लोग सुन, एंड देन यू कैन